Welcome to ECS Fundamentals. ECS stands for Elastic Container Service, which is Amazon Web Services' solution for container orchestration. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to deploy and manage Docker containers at scale using AWS infrastructure. Amazon ECS is a fully managed container orchestration service. It allows you to run, stop, and manage Docker containers on a cluster of EC2 instances or using serverless infrastructure. The core purpose of ECS is to simplify the deployment and scaling of containerized applications without requiring you to manage the underlying orchestration infrastructure yourself. ECS offers 4 major benefits. First, it's fully managed, meaning AWS handles the control plane, scaling, and infrastructure management automatically. Second, it provides native integration with other AWS services like Elastic Load Balancing, IAM, and CloudWatch. Third, it's cost-effective because there are no additional charges for ECS itself, you only pay for the resources you use. Fourth, it includes built-in security features with IAM roles and VPC isolation for compliance. ECS has 4 core components you need to understand. A cluster is a logical grouping of tasks or services running on your infrastructure. A task definition is a blueprint for your application that defines containers, resources, and networking configuration. A task is the instantiation of a task definition. Essentially, you're running containers on the cluster. Finally, a service maintains the desired number of tasks and handles load balancing across them. ECS supports 2 launch types. The EC2 launch type means you manage EC2 instances that host your containers. This gives you full control over infrastructure, lets you use reserved instances for cost savings, and allows custom instance types. The Fargate launch type is serverless, where AWS manages the infrastructure automatically. With Fargate, there's no server management required, you pay per task resources, and scaling happens automatically. The ECS architecture follows a logical flow. First, you create a cluster, which is your infrastructure group. Then you define a task definition, which serves as your container blueprint. Next, you create a service that orchestrates your tasks. Finally, the service launches and maintains your running tasks, which are the active containers. Services ensure the desired task count is maintained and handle load balancing across tasks automatically. Here's a simple task definition example in JSON format. The family field specifies the task definition name, in this case, my -web-app. Under container definitions, you define the container name, the Docker image to use such as Nginx latest, the CPU units which is 256, memory in megabytes which is 512, and port mappings. The port mapping shows container port 80 using TCP protocol for web traffic. ECS supports 3 networking modes. The AWS VPC mode gives each task its own elastic network interface with a private IP address, and it's required for Fargate. The bridge mode uses Docker's built-in virtual network on EC2 instances and is the default for EC2 launch type. The host mode allows containers to share the host's network stack directly, providing the highest performance, but it's only available for EC2 instances. ECS integrates seamlessly with other AWS services. For load balancing, you can use Application Load Balancer or Network Load Balancer to distribute traffic across tasks automatically. CloudWatch integration lets you monitor metrics, collect logs, and set alarms for container health. IAM roles provide task-level permissions for secure access to AWS resources. Finally, ECR, which is Elastic Container Registry, allows you to store and retrieve Docker images for your applications. Let's recap the key takeaways. First, ECS is a fully managed container orchestration service for Docker containers on AWS. Second, you can choose between EC2 launch type for full control or Fargate launch type for serverless operation. Third, the core components are cluster, task definition, task, and service, which work together to run your containers. Finally, ECS has deep integration with AWS services like IAM, CloudWatch, and elastic load balancing, making it a powerful solution for cloud-native applications.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.